Volunteers in Gambia are collecting cough syrups that the country's health ministry has blamed for causing the deaths of dozens of children. A wave of child deaths from acute kidney injury sent shockwaves across the West African country, prompting a government inquiry. The probe's findings have pointed to 4 cough medicines made in India.
All those products have been suspended. They have been recalled. Everybody has been sensitized. It should not be sold. It should not be used until the investigations are concluded before we can take any further action.
While the contaminated products have so far only been detected in the Gambia, they may have been distributed to other countries, the World Health Organization said.
4 medicines are cough and cold syrups produced by Maiden Pharmaceuticals Limited in India. WHO is conducting further investigation with the company and regulatory authorities in India. WHO recommends all countries detect and remove these products from circulation to prevent further harm to patients.
Teaming up with the Gambia Red Cross Society, the Health Ministry has dispatched hundreds of young people to collect the suspect syrups through a house-to-house campaign. Gambia's Medical Research Council has also issued an alarm.